Help Locks are a dementia-friendly locksmith service. We secure homes in Leeds, Wakefield and the West Yorkshire area. All of our products and services have security, safety and convenience in mind. We fit the most secure locks available. We now offer them in a thumb turn for your safety and convenience. We also have a range of high security locks to fit any budget. We are UPVC repair specialists. We repair doors and windows, replacing faulty mechanisms or repairing them. We also service doors to prolong their life. Help Locks are looking to the future and are now fitting smart locks. Imagine with your mobile phone if you could open your front door, open padlocks, or communicate with your wireless alarm so that wherever you are in the world you have peace of mind. We take pride in delivering great service, but don't take our word for it. Visit our website and see some of the testimonial videos that our customers have made for us, or have a read of some of the write-ups. Help Locks are always on the lookout for ways to give back to the local community. We support good causes and we support open days, fairs, galas, offering free home security advice and showcasing our latest products. Find out if you live in a burglary hotspot, or purchase useful items such as safes, padlocks, all done through the Help Locks app. Follow us across social media and find out what Help Locks are doing in your area right now.